Have you ever wondered if there's a way that you could create your own business out of your love for gardening? Well, 5 years ago, I was in the exact same place as you. So stay tuned and hear about an opportunity I would love to share with you. My name is Nicole Burke, and 5 years ago, I was scrolling YouTube looking for some way that I could make money, start my own business maybe, out of my garden. I'm a mom to 4 kids, so I knew I needed to be home in the mornings and the afternoons, but I love my garden and really wanted to find a way to share it with others and make a little bit of money too. Well, watching YouTube did not give me the answers that I needed, but starting from my own experience, from my own backyard garden did. So about 4.5 years ago in 2015, I started Rooted Garden. I had a $450 refund check for my daughter's preschool, brought it to the bank and started my business. And would you believe that in 1 year's time, I helped over 50 clients start their own kitchen gardens and made over $100,000 in my business. What? That's right. Doing something I loved, I created a business that's changing my city for the better. Well, about 2 years ago, I started training other gardeners all over North America to start their own garden coaching businesses too. I do it through a program called Garden Coach Society. And since 2017, I've helped over 250 gardeners set up businesses and teach others to garden right from their own gardening experience. To help you get started, I've created a free 5-day challenge called the Garden Coach Challenge. In these 5 days, you're going to discover the missing piece that will help you start your own gardening business. The challenge is free, it's super fun, and thousands of people have taken it so far. So you can click right here on this page, sign up today, and you'll be enrolled in the upcoming Garden Coach Challenge. We'll send a guide right to your inbox and bring you through day by day to help you understand what it takes to run and create a profitable garden business right from your own experience. I can't wait to get to know you inside the Garden Coach Challenge. I know you're gonna love it, so you can stop watching YouTube trying to find a way to make money in your garden, because the answer is right here. I'll see you inside the challenge.